Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, hi, my name is Naomi and welcome. So please subscribe. So on my platform you will see lots of different types of videos. So you will see vlogs, makeup, food, cooking, baking, challenges and many more things. So today I'm showing you how I make my dried smoked fish in a sauce. Okay, nakolaksa bino ndenge nasalaka bisi ya kokaokanangai ya supu suki oza muta bandundu okoyebango biso batu bandundu tuliaka ngo mingi. So like I was saying in Lingala, so I'm basically 50-50. I'm muta bandundu and mukongo, so we mostly eat this in my other tribe, so we call it muta bandundu. So yeah, I'm just showing you how I'll be making it really. So yeah, so I'm literally showing you how I removed all the bones, because in this type of fish, okay, in this type of smoked dried fish, there is hard bones and it's not really nice to be eaten, you know. And yeah, so nazola sabino nazola nga miko wananga longo je miko wananga weza kanakati no dong nazo cheke nazo tala suke zakaka dingo mona kina longo laki mona na wana. So yeah, so in this video guys, I'll be speaking in English and in Lingala as well. Okay, so I'll be translating in English and then translating back to Lingala. So yeah na longo mikuwa donc yang wana zolak sabino mikuwa nanga yango wana. So those are all my bones. Trust me, they're not meats, okay, they are bones, so don't feel like I'm wasting or anything. Like you can see, I'm showing you there. So yeah, eza mikuwa eza ba misuni te bodo mo eza mikuwa donc where yango wana like sabino na jona mais kona zo sukulango bia, you have to wash it really well. Okay, so I'm still in the process of washing it. So I've got my clean pan, so which I'll be using to make the my dried smoked fish. Okay, so you have to boil it. Okay, so nazui nzungu nangai nazo sukulango no chango na nzungu nangai ya propre nazo chacha ba mbisi nanga mbisi ya okawaka kati o na sukuli bia na cheke na kati. Okay, donc natiki bino bolanda video. Okay, na zonga na lobo momuke après natika bino. Okay, so I'm gonna leave you guys to watch the video how I'm watching it. Sorry. No, I'll be leaving you guys to watch the video, okay, how I'm doing it, how I'm making it, okay, and then I'll be coming back just to comment bit by bit or small things. Okay, enjoy. Nazo sukulango moko parce que mbisi yakakeza na ba pussy abasalite bele. So guys, I'm basically washing it one by one because this dried smoked fish, it has a lot of I'll say mud, a lot of dirtiness. Okay, so yeah, so I'm pouring two bowls of water, so it has to be that size. If not, then you can use a cup. Yeah, nazocha mai siko mai mibale na bowl wana, donc nazocha mai mibale ndambu na tika musko etoka. So I'm leaving it to boil. So nazo check it, so motepeli, oui motepeli. I'm checking if the fire is on. So yes, the fire is on. Kuna kocha mungu wanangai na tika ngopo limba no changopo na 25 minutes mukuna mutazande nga lamba mungu wananga dona mezi kango na mutu. Okay, so lamba ko kumezi kango na mutu. So yeah, if you know how to cook, the measurements of salt you put in, you basically calculate in the head. So I didn't calculate mine like in a spoon, but I would say about 3 spoon or 4 spoon. For this recipe, I just keep it simple. I like to keep it simple, and trust me, it always goes delicious. It always, be banging like yeah. Puna reset na na tika ngwe za la simple, tu vois. Na c'est la ka oignon, na ngaya rouge oyo, et ça la bien pour la nzoto. So I only use this red onion. It's really good for the health, okay? So I like to leave it simple. But if you want to add many more things like green peppers or, you know, whatever, like green onion, you know, if you want to add that, then go ahead, you can do, okay? Remember, everyone has their own way of cooking. Mutuna mutazana ndena ya kolamba sungo baksa ba biloko ebele lokola ba aubergine ba nini, donc okoko salango, okay? Mutuna mutazana ndena ya kolamba, okay? Mais pour la recette on est à l'obi na tika ngweza la simple. Donc for this recipe, like I said, I leave it to be as quite simple as possible. I'm gonna get my ginger, nazwi ginger na ngai. Ginger is a ginger na lingala. Te pardon limisa. Nazwi, I got my ginger, so I'm gonna mix it with the tomato and a bit of onion. I like to put it that way so it can be mixed together. Nenga kochongo bongo po ezala mélanger ensemble ezala vraiment kitoko. Nazwi sikoyo kikalungulanga no la sauce. So I got my pan, I'm gonna be making the sauce, okay? And I've got my palm oil. So nazwi ninyambila Dinga zo kima ngabo ndeni ba mo ezo kima vraiment ndeka bo mona bolimisa ngaba ndeko mo sikomo wana izongeza mafuta mbela na mafuta mbela na ngayo, okay? So ngosela oil normal okuzuni kosela me opona ka set oil kosenga mafuta mbela, okay? If you want to use normal oil, vegetable oil, olive oil, you can do, but for this recipe you need palm oil, okay? So I'm gonna stop talking now. No tika koloba siko pona tika benbola na video, so I'm gonna leave you guys to watch the video, okay? So yeah, so you just basically watch what I'm doing, and if I see there's a part that I need to come in and explain, I will do, okay? So na moni parti moko fona kota na explique donc ya me pona video o eza nango is a direct na zola sabino nding na salango. For this video it's going to be direct. I'm going to show you how I'm going to put it, okay? I used 1 onion, okay? So don't look at it as a small thing, okay? I'm the type of person I don't like too much onion in my food. Yeah, nalinga about onion belete na biloko na ngai, okay? Mais so ngo sala 2 3 4 ko sala ngo, okay? Mais bobo sanate na chaki pe ba onion musus na tomate na ngai mixé. I did use some of the onion in my tomato mix, okay? So it can give it a bit of strength, okay? Na chaki ngo po episango makasi moko ya mukie, okay? Sikuna zo balu sango yangwani nazo laksabino, okay? Bisous, bye. This specific thing I'm going to show you, it makes my food, trust me, delicious. Eloko na la sabino siko ya bleu, et ça la kabiloko na nga, etaka biloko na nga vraiment kitoko, donc epesa ngo chin toko makasi osaganate, eza vraiment bien. Donc nako sabino bosumba ngo, so I would recommend you guys buying it. It's super good for any type of food that you'll be making, okay? So yeah, so enjoy. Oh yeah, and yes, I forgot. I didn't just put that one, okay? I had other seasoning as well that I mixed, okay? And yeah, na chaki ka wana tina chaki ba season mamusus na o na zanango na chaki ngo me wana laksa bino paske wana is avo makitoko makasi suboza nango tebo sumbango. Again, guys, check your food, okay? Check your food so it doesn't burn. But check biloko na bino, but traga biloko na bino po ezekate, okay? So pona ngaska ebele na meki mungwa. Make sure you test the sauce as well. Okay, make sure it's all ready. Soup nang belly, my sauce is ready. Now I'm gonna mix everything. Below ko nanga sauce nang belly is gonna ko sangsangona bisanangai. Okay. If you wanna know the length or the time, how long I left it for it to basically be cooked up, I left it for 15 minutes for my sauce to be cooked up, for my sauce to be ready. Natika kampana 15 minutes for sauce nang bela. I think it was 15 to 20 minutes. Okay. Natika kampana 15 to 20 minutes. Okay. Bangate sauce wana baka kengote na keza mai mukie sikona ko sangsango na ko chango. Don't worry guys, I didn't waste that sauce. So I want to add a bit of water, okay, so I can mix it together, then pour it into my soup. Okay, so yeah. So guys, like I keep on repeating, make sure you're checking your food. Okay, so yeah, I'm just basically testing it. Make sure you're testing your food. Make sure you're testing and you're tasting and you're checking your food. Okay, donc bo salavama prudence. Okay, bo talabelo na bino meka mungwa so mungwe koki na kati. Okay. Chekaka mungwa mama tala mungwa lekate mungwa ezala pe mokete mungwa ezala suffisant na bien mungwa okay mungwa ezala dona katikati kwa. So make sure you're checking the salt guys. Okay, make sure it's not too much, make sure it's not too little, make sure it's the middle. Okay, it's okay for you. You'll be tired of my voice, so now I'm just cleaning. As you can see, you know, make sure where you are cooking is clean. Okay, it's spotless. So basically zo lamba is ala propre nazo pangsa kaba uile kuyaki nazo nika pangsa wana apona kene ko nika basanya na ngam susu na sela ki. Okay, then on laksabino ekoya. So then I went to wash my other plate that I was using, and here it is. You know, I'm basically washing. Make sure your sink is clean as well. Make sure your sink is clean. Bo tarabanina bineza la clean. Ebi sink la lingala ten bo comprendre kaka bo cheke ka bo comprendre bizu bye. Wana biloko na ngezo toka tala ngezo toka tala milinga bilinge zo bima na fungula nzungu wa ebetinga na nina mutu. Yeah. So I opened the cover, and here it is. My food is getting cooked up. Okay, so I'll say guys, in total my food it took 45 minutes or more, I think. I don't calculate. I'll make sure my food is well cooked. Okay, so make sure it is well cooked. Don't be too rushing on it. Donc na totalement na tika ko 45 minutes ou bien ebele. Donc ngana pona ngana tika ngo ebele bela. Ndenge bo muna wana talezo bela wana na laksa kitendenge toliak ndenge toliak yango, mais I didn't show you how I ate it. Okay, mais ezalaka bien et kenaka bien na fufu. Igena bena fufu ou na fufu, mais batum swali yango pena loso. Donc c'est ça na I didn't put it for you guys to see, but it goes well with rice or fufu if you know fufu. Okay, so yeah, so thank you so much guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. So if you like more of these videos, like me mixing Lingala and English, then let me know, please, sorry. Okay, so donc bande ko nga merci ndenge bolani video over masoki bo sepen ba video aboué na zo bana anglais na ba plan Lingala bo bisangai. Okay, vraiment bo s'abonner, please subscribe to my channel. Eloko nazo senga kaya pa na bino zaka ba s'abonner na bino ba abonner na bino. Okay, na lenga bino mingi makasi lenga bino makasi vraiment. Okay, na lenga ngezo tubuka kageza ka muke boye to continue ka bongo. I love you guys so much. Okay, so I just want your subscribers. That's all I want, and your views.